20 interesting space facts you don't know. Number 1. Our solar system is 4.6 billion years old. At first, our solar system had only meteorites, but then after several collisions, gas explosions, and condensation, our planets began to form. 2. Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars are made of clay and rock, and Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune are made of gas. 3. Pluto is a rocky planet and is located at the very end. As of now, Pluto is not included in the category of a planet and is seen as a dwarf planet. There are also land masses like mountains and volcanoes on Pluto. But while the burning lava comes out of the Earth's volcanoes, the frozen ice comes out of Pluto's volcanoes. 4. Pluto is a very small planet, but its orbit is very large. In fact, Pluto's orbit is 2 times larger than the Earth's orbit, and its orbit has 20 layers, all super cold and super condensed. 5. Venus is a very windy planet, and the speed of these winds is 50 times higher than the speed of rotation of the Venus. 6. The dazzling aurora lights of the northern and southern hemispheres are actually solar winds that come from the sun's surface. 7. The sun is so large that it alone comprises 99.86% of our solar system mass. 8. Lepidus, the moon of Saturn, is the only satellite moon of the solar system that is of 2 colors. Its half area is of dark color and half is of light color. 9. There are more than 100 billion galaxies in our universe, which is not visible to our eyes. This suggests the possibility of life on other planets too, so the existence of aliens may be true. 10. It's not necessary that only planets should have a moon. In 1993, Galileo probe passed through a miniature asteroid. This asteroid had a diameter of only 32 kilometers, but even then the asteroid had a small moon of 1.6 kilometers, which was revolving around it. 11. Our oceans are so large that all the people of our world could merge in them, and even then there will be space left. But on Jupiter, there is an ocean in which our entire Earth can merge, and still there will be space left. This ocean is filled with pure metallic hydrogen, and its depth is more than the circumference of our Earth. 12. The largest volcanoes of our solar system are not on Earth, but on Mars. The base of this volcano, named Olympus Mons, is as wide as Arizona state of USA, and its height is 3 times more than Mount Everest. 13. If 2 things made of the same metal in space come into contact, they will not be able to separate and will be permanently attached. This phenomenon is called cold welding. This is because the atoms of both things do not know that they belong to different things. Cold welding does not occur on Earth because the atoms of both things know that they are different, because there are particles of air and dust between the things that separate them. 14. Many light years away from our Earth, there is another planet in our galaxy which is completely made of diamond. 15. 1 day on Venus equals 243 Earth years, whereas 1 year is equal to 225 Earth days. This is because Venus revolves around the Sun at a speed much faster than the speed it rotates on its axis. 16. There is also a planet in our galaxy where rain of glass occurs 24/7, and that too at a speed of 4,300 miles an hour. 17. The Sun is 400 times larger than our Moon, but our Moon is 400 times closer to our Earth than the Sun. And due to this geometrical arrangement, a total solar eclipse is possible. But due to the continuous change of the Moon's orbit, a solar eclipse will not be possible after 50 million years. 18. Many of the sand and rock samples found in the Sahara Desert and Antarctica have originated from Mars. This suggests that one time our land was either part of Mars or people of Mars came here. 19. Neutron stars are very small, compressed stars, but these are very volatile and spin around their axis very fast. In fact, many neutron stars make roughly 600 rounds on its axis in 1 second. 20. Saturn is the only planet with visible rings around it. Jupiter, Neptune, and Uranus also have rings around them, but they are very thin, so they're not visible. In fact, the moon pan of Saturn absorbed some rings of Saturn inside it, and due to this, its shape became like a nut. This was all about today's video. Please like, share, and comment below. Thank you for watching.